Hi, hello friends. Few days back, I got a question from one of the Quora user that what happened to people who don't get placed in campus recruitment. I felt that this is one of the important question to be answered by a person who didn't get placed in campus recruitment. Uh, you need to understand certain facts very clearly. Campus recruitment is just a single opportunity that has been given to a student by an organization. That's it. So if you are going to miss the opportunity that has been given by an organization, that doesn't mean that you don't have any other opportunity. You have plenty of opportunities awaiting for you outside your campus. But I would always suggest you to concentrate more on campus recruitment. If the companies are coming to your campus, it is very easy to get a job offer in campus recruitment than in off campus drive. If you are not going to, if you are not placed in the campus recruitment, it's not a very big sin, or you don't need to get depressed, or you don't need to feel down. You have plenty, as I said, you have plenty of opportunities waiting outside. You can attend walk-in interviews. There are many job fairs being conducted in the metro cities like Chennai and Bangalore. You can very well send your resume across uh, all the companies. You can go and give the resume to the companies. Certain companies accept resumes that are being given in person. You can also use job portals like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn. But you need to make sure only one thing: before you attend an interview, you need to be prepared yourself. You should be in a position to get the job offer. Don't attend any interview just for the namesake. If you're going to attend an interview just for the namesake, it will be very very difficult to get a job offer. So you should be well prepared to attend an interview. So if you attend an interview, you should come back with a job offer, unless until when the expectation is beyond your knowledge and beyond your capacity. So if you are not going to, if you are not getting selected in any off campus drive or any walk-in interviews, please don't get depressed. Again, you have lost only one single opportunity. You have got plenty of opportunity in your hand. You need to learn from your previous interview and then attend the next interview. Most of the time what people are doing is they just simply attend interviews just for the namesake. Please don't do that mistake. Prepare well, learn from your experience, learn from your failure, and then attend the interview. For sure you will be getting placed in the campus, or you will be getting placed in off campus drive. Beyond these campus drives, off campus drives, there are plenty of options available in front of you. Like, you can go for higher education. You can very well prepare yourself for any competitive exams. So campus recruitment or campus drive is not the only thing in this world. This is most of the parents are like, they are considering this as a prestigious thing. No, please don't consider this as a prestigious thing. Please take this as one of the event and then move on. I wish to guide more via my YouTube channel on the career perspective. Thank you so much.